Okay, so I decided to replace the seats in the 86 720. I originally had the bench seat that came with the car back when it was produced from the manufacturer. Then I put in seats from I'm not sure what year it was, but it was a Dodge Neon. Really good seats, very comfortable, but they are too bulky. And if you're kind of tall, it makes it kind of cramped to ride in the car with it. So I found these seats from a Isuzu, I guess it was a Rodeo or either a Honda Passport. So I'm going to stick these in and maybe they'll be a little bit better and not take up as much space in here. So we'll see how this works. I'll give you a shot back here in a second. And they seem to fit without any problem. Looks like they're not going to take up as much space. I haven't driven around to see how much leg room I get. But I'm about 5'10", 200 pounds, so hopefully I have some room to stretch around and be able to you know, drive like I should. But anyway, these Neon seats are pretty good, nice and comfortable, really cushiony, but they're just too bulky. So hopefully the Isuzu seats will do good. I also found a center console from an extended cab and stuck that in there too while I was doing the work as well. So we'll see how this works out, and more to follow. Thanks. Finished installing the Isuzu Rodeo seats in my 86 Nissan 720. Again, those are pretty much a direct fit. You do have to make a slight modification and change the location of your box that's down there. I think that's the computer, ECM or whatever you call it. And but they're a direct bolt up to match all the bolts. And these give you a little bit more space. They don't sit as high as the Neon seats, and they give you a little bit more flexibility as far as, you know, the seat will move forward. Well, the seat back will move forward. I need to put oil on that or clean it out. Seat back moves forward a little bit more than the Neon seats do, and you can get to the back seat a lot easier. So yeah, again, direct bolt up. Also added the, like I mentioned before, center console from an extended cab 720. And that bolted right in as well. Gives you a little space in the back if you need a little space in the back. Again, so what I like more about this seat is it allows the back of the seat can go back a little bit further than the Neon seats. So you can lay it down a lot more if you have really short legs and you want to lay back. But I need more leg space. Again, I'm not that tall, but I needed more leg space and didn't want to sit as high. Head doesn't have to sit in the roof as it does. Also, what I liked about this one is the hole in the headrest. I didn't want to go without the headrest, but the bulky headrest from the Neon, they were a little bulky. They actually blocked a little bit, so you can see a little bit better with those in there. Again, same thing for this side. Direct bolt on. Only thing I wish I could have found something that matched the interior a little bit better. When I was in the junkyard, I thought these were more blue than gray. These have more of a gray hue to them. Again, pops right up and get to it. That seat back pocket was torn a little bit. That's the only thing about it. But otherwise, it's good to go. I haven't actually sat in the passenger seat, but I imagine it's fairly comfortable. You know, these are not as comfortable and cushiony as the Neon seats. And again, the Neon seats set a little high, but these do the job. And this is not a main everyday vehicle, so I don't drive it. I drive it around town for errands and whatnot. So they work out pretty well. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.